It's good. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum, currently sitting at 1727, up 0.96 on the day. We perfectly met our wave 5 target. Okay, so we're sitting at a market cap of 207 billion and the 24-hour volume 21.11 billion. Let's pop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see we perfectly met the 0.618 extension, which is the minimum target for a wave 5. Sorry, guys. Excuse me. How absolutely disturbing. So we met 1763, which was our wave 5 target. So a couple of scenarios here. The first one is that we've completed a 5-wave move to the upside, and now you're going to see a large wave 2 pullback. So if that does happen here, you can take your Fib retracement from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top of wave 5. And your wave 2 pullback, the minimum target would be the 0.382, but usually it's going to come down to the 0.5 to 0.618. So actually, let's start from the 0.382. We'll drop a line. We'll drop a box in between the 0.382 to 0.618. Now it can come all the way. Oh, sorry guys. It can come all the way down to the 0.786. It can actually retrace 99% of wave 1, but usually you want to see a bounce off the 0.5, the 0.618. Your target range would be about 1161 to about 1369, with the possibility of coming all the way down to about 1,000, which is the 0.786. So what you would be looking at here is a large wave 1. I'm gonna have to change this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll change the color. We'll change the size. Let's go with white, and let's change it to cycle. Yeah. So what you'd be looking at is this was all the completion of a larger wave 1. You see a wave 2 pullback, and then you would put in your much larger wave 3. See a wave 4 and a wave 5. So to measure that wave 3, you would take your trend-based Fib extension from the bottom of wave 1. Just let me pull this out. From the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1. And if we were to pull all the way back to the golden ratio, your wave 3 would take you all the way up for a 1.618 extension at the minimum, which would be up at about 2655. Now that all really depends on if we begin to see the pullback, right? If we start to come down, especially if we come down and we break into the wave 3 high, that would be more confirmation that we've completed the 5-wave structure and you're looking for that wave 2 pullback. Now the second scenario that I want to go over here with you guys, we're going to take this Fibonacci out. The second scenario is that we're still putting in a wave 5. And as you can see, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move to the upside. So the second scenario is that all of this is the wave 1 within the wave 5. And we're doing a little something like this. I'll have to make it smaller again. Where we've come up, this is a wave 1, wave 2. And then you would see wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just to complete the wave 5. That's the second scenario. We're going to change the color. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. All right, guys. Let's actually change it to light blue. So the second scenario is that this is your wave 1 and you're looking for a wave 2 pullback. So if you only see a small pullback, if we only pull back here, oh, sorry, I used the Fib retracement. If we only pull back here to in between about 1607 and about 1509, then you'd be looking at a wave 2 of the wave 5, where we'll go 1, 2, and then you say 3, 4, 5, just to complete the larger wave 5 within the larger wave 1, within the wave 1 in white. That's the second scenario, right, guys? So as of right now, we're just going to keep the chart based off the first scenario that we've come up and we've met our wave 5 target, the 0.618 extension. And now we've completed the larger wave 1. So if that is the case, then the whole market is going to see a large pullback, right? Because of course Ethereum is going to pull all the way back, and Ethereum is with Bitcoin are the two leading cryptocurrencies. So we'd see a large pullback in the market. But if you only see Ethereum pull back just a little bit here and we see continuation, then we'd be looking at a larger wave 5 to complete the wave 1. All right, guys, hope that makes sense. If you're new to Elliott Wave, please look it up on YouTube. There's some incredible videos so you can better understand it, as I know it sounds like an alien language if you're just starting out with Elliott Wave. All right, guys. So if you do see us start to come down and break this wave 3 high, especially if we come down and we lose this level of support here at about 1483, I would be expecting you to put in that larger wave 2. Now we've completed a 5-wave move to the upside, which can signify that this could potentially be the bottom, but we have to be really careful here, because personally I still think this is a relief rally and it's going to trap a lot of the bulls. A lot of people are going to start jumping in and we're going to come lower. As you can see on this chart here, we come up to the 0.5. So if we were to push higher, if we push up to the 0.618, then I have more confirmation that the bottom is in, because it would invalidate this as a wave 4 pullback. But as of right now, we're still seeing a perfect wave 4 retracement. So if we get rejected here, we come down, we lose this low, then we're still looking to put in that wave 5. And this was just a relief rally within a bear market, which is quite normal. If we scroll back to the previous bear market here, as you can see, look at this relief rally, guys. Absolutely massive rally. Let's see how much we pumped up here. Yeah, the 118% rally for Ethereum before seeing continuation of the bear market. So you can see here, we came down, we had a rally, we came down again, we had a rally, we came down, we had a massive rally, and then we continued to drop in the bear market. So if we go to current date here and we look at the price action, we've come down, we've had a rally, we've come down once again. This is only our second rally in this bear market. So I think it's quite likely that this is a bear market rally and we will see continuation to the downside. But if we come all the way up and we break the golden ratio, which is currently coming in at about 2151, it would invalidate this as a wave 4 pullback, and that would be stronger confirmation that the bottom excuse me sorry about that, that the bottom just may be in. I don't think it's the likely scenario. I think there's one more wave down in this market and we're going through a relief rally, but I could be wrong. So if we come up, we break the golden ratio, that's more confirmation. All right, guys. But the fact that we've completed a 5-wave structure to the upside, so we do have confirmation that we could see some large pullback here. That could also be a sign here that this is a wave 4. Let's put in a 5-wave move correction before seeing a final wave down. It all depends if on our wave 2 pullback, if we come down and we start to bounce, then that would be massive confirmation that this truly is the bottom here for ETH. All right, guys, if we look at Ethereum here on the daily, we pushed all the way up. We met the target of our ascending triangle. We pushed right up into the yellow box that we dropped in, which is a major level of resistance here that we've been covering in between 1658, 1775. As you can see, it's a massive, massive level of resistance. Previous support for Ethereum. So could definitely offer an area to see a strong rejection here. And it also lines up with the 0.5 here, which is the maximum retracement for a wave 4 pullback. All right, guys, that's basically it for ETH. If you see us start to come down and we lose this support of about 1495, then we could be looking at a wave 2 pullback. But if we only see a small pullback here or we see continuation, then we're still looking to complete that wave 5. It'd be quite a large wave. If this is only your wave 1, wave 2, then you see your wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And that would be an extended wave 5. But as of right now, we've reached the minimum target for a wave 5. So if we begin to put in a large correction, then I would look for a pullback to this yellow box in between about 1157 and about 1368. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We've been making some juicy profits with our trade signals. It's $10 a month till the end of the month. Gala up 26%. Recently locked in some juicy gains on Matic, 50% take profit for a 22% gain. You can get in at $10 a month and you can be locked in at $10 for life. It is getting bumped up to $25, but everyone that's in at $10 now can stay at $10 for as long as they stay signed up to the group. So you can sign up through the Patreon link to get access to my leverage trades, my spot trades. Recently locked in some gains with our link trade, 21% profit with our spot trade. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.